Hello everyone and welcome to a cozy Friday night in my life vlog. So I wanted to have a little chat with yous about my content for the upcoming Vlogmas period. Vlogmas is something, in case you're unfamiliar with it, on YouTube, where people who do YouTube will film videos every day from the 1st to the 25th of December typically. And I've done this the last 2 years. Last year not quite as successfully, but I think, you know, I had all these ideas for videos that I wanted to create this month, and, you know, wanting them to be like really informative, like good videos. And I just sort of had the first one that I thought was going to be really useful go up on the 1st, which was yesterday, I believe. And it just did not do well. And like by that I mean it was the worst performing video I've had in a really long time. And I was just like, oh, like instantly so demotivated with everything. And so I wanted to just like rethink the content ideas that I had for December and see what I could do a bit differently. I suppose the spirit of Vlogmas is that you film a vlog every day, and that's what I did the first year that I did this. But I obviously didn't have like a lot of views on many of the videos because it was still my first year on YouTube, and also like people don't really come here to see vlogs a lot of the time. I've just been doing a bit of reflecting on my YouTube content in general. I, a lot of the time, don't know what content I should be creating, because on YouTube I think you're very isolated from your audience in that I don't have any way to like directly come out and ask you what you would like to see. I only have this time here when I'm talking to my camera, and honestly just not knowing who's on the other side a lot of the time. Obviously I can tell, like, there's some people that I know in the comments, I see them like again and again, and I feel like I get to know these people, but a lot of the time when I'm talking to you, like, I don't know who you are or why you're here. And it's crazy because when I had the video this week not do well, like for that to have like a couple of hundred views when I would be more used to seeing up to maybe like 1,000, if a couple of hundred people showed up outside my house right now, which is like this thing I've always seen, like I would be so shocked. And it's mad to think that that many people listen to me talk anyways. But at the same time, I think because those people are there, I always want to make sure that I'm making good content, and sometimes I just really struggle to know what that is. I don't know what people come here for sometimes. I wonder if the people that watch my videos are like me, so like PhD students who maybe have other things going on outside of their PhD and so need to find ways to overcome that and find methods of productivity to help, or maybe just people who are really interested in productivity and wanting to do more than their PhD, or wanting to have a side hustle, or wanting to start a YouTube channel. I really don't know, and I would love to know, because it would definitely help me to make like that kind of content to suit that type of person. So what I've decided for now at least is that I'm really just going to try my best to film what's going on and talk to the camera about what's going on as much as I can, because I would like to be able to look back at this time. I think I'm in a hugely transitional time as I'm coming towards the last 6 months or whatever of my PhD, and everything else that's going on in life. I feel it will be good to look back on and see what my headspace is like now compared to then. So yeah, I've sort of mapped out what I think I'll film on most days to still provide some level of insight, but I want to try and keep these somewhat loose. In a way, I was thinking, like, is there a way that I can still have these be videos that people might see sometime in the future? But I think that's maybe not what Vlogmas is for. I think this time is really for serving the audience that's already here, the people who have been here for like years, some of you, and have had to live through the massive droughts that have happened on the channel, of times where I've just had like an unbearable amount going on, and still you guys have been the ones that have stayed and supported me throughout this time. So I'm trying to make Vlogmas for those people, and trying to think like what the kind of content that I enjoy, which, like today I watched a couple of vlogs of people who were really just sitting down and talking about the things that they were struggling with, and the things that they were like happy about, like those two sides of the coin. And did I necessarily go looking for those videos for a specific reason? No, but this is the kind of content I feel that a lot of the time I do enjoy. So yeah, I don't know, that's my ramble over. I hope that you will enjoy this Vlogmas with me, and I would love to hear you guys being a bit more active in the comments so that I know I'm not alone. And if you are looking for a way to support me during this Vlogmas period, I have a couple of affiliate links to different services that if you sign up for the free trial, I get a kickback So I have Skillshare, which I think if you sign up for a free trial, I get a €10 payout for. And Audible as well, I think I get like €5 or something from that. So it doesn't cost you anything if you're looking for a free way to support me throughout this period. When I'll be making content, then I would love if you would sign up to one of those trials. And I honestly really recommend both of those services, so you might even find that you stay on with them for longer. Audible's been the way that I've listened to the majority of the audiobooks that I've listened to, and they're most of the productivity books that I've come across. And Skillshare is great, especially for this time of year if you are thinking about picking up a new skill in 2023. So thank you for listening to my rants, as always, whoever you are out there, and I will see you in the next video.